So I have seen this question in multiple sites and everybody has solved it with the help of algebra. So I want to solve the same question with the help of geometry. Let's see the question first and then subsequently how to apply geometry to solve this question. Two opposite vertices of a square are given and we have to find the other two vertices. So A is given -1, 2 and C is given 3, 2, and the question is to find the other two vertices of the, so this and the other one here. What are these vertices? That is what we have to identify. How to solve this? The very first thing which we have to do is we have to find the midpoint, and midpoint formula, as you may be already knowing, is you have x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So here -1 plus 3, which will be 2 divided by 2, which means x coordinate will be 1. And for y1 plus y2, so 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 divided by 2, then we will get 2. So 1 comma 2 is the midpoint of this specific line segment, AC line segment. Now what we have to do is that we have to move this O to the origin. Okay, so to move to origin, we have to make x and y coordinates 0. So x is given as 1. To make it 0, we have to do x is x minus 1. Y is given as 2. To make it 0, we have to do y is y minus 2. So once we have done this translation, let's apply the translation to all the 3 points. So origin, the O dash will be 0, 0. A dash, A was -1, x of A was -1. So -1 is -2. So A dash x is -2 and y is 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. So thereby -2, 0 is A dash. Similarly, C is 2, 0. If you apply this translation on C, 3 minus 1 will become 2 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So 2, 0 is the coordinate of C. So now we have done the translation. So these are the new points after translation. So what we have to do here is let's plot these points now. So the very first point is origin, which is here. The second point, which is A, is -2, 0. So A is here. This is A. This is A. And then we have C. C is 2, 0. So this is C, or let's say C dash. Okay. So now what we will do is we will take C dash and rotate it clockwise by 90 degree. If we rotate it clockwise by 90 degree, the new coordinate which we get is 0, -2. So this is the rotated 90 degree rotated coordinate is 0, -2. If we move C dash anti-clockwise 90 degree, then we get 0, 2. And these four coordinates are going to form our square. So this is the square which we have formed. Okay, please forgive the lines which I have drawn, but this is basically a square which you have got. What we did here was we rotated C dash 90 degree anti-clock and clockwise. You could have done A. For A dash also, if you would have rotated, you have got the same points. These are the 4 points which we got for our translated square. So A, C, B and D, and they are all prime because we had done a translation. Now we have to reverse the translation. For reversing the translation, whatever we had applied earlier, we have to reverse the application. So x, we had done x is x minus 1, so we have to do x is x plus 1, y is y plus 2. We are reversing. So now for B, okay, this is one point, this is the other point. So for B, when you do x is x plus 1, so 0 will become 1 and 2 will become 4. Okay, this is one of the vertices, and D would be again the same thing. X is x plus 1, so 0 plus 1 is 1, and y is y plus 2, so -2 plus 2 is 0. So these are the other two endpoints which will come. Okay, so thereby we got all the 4 vertices using translation. Thank you very much.